bought another clock. You guys, you haven't been updated very much. I don't think you guys even know about this one. But I have wanted this one for as long as I've collected clocks. And I finally bought it. So you guys, get ready for this. If there is any damage, it's probably because of the shipping. But I think he packed it really good. Oh, it's really tightly packed in there. Is this still recording? Oh, baby, I'm a mess. The curse of the boxes. At least they protect it. Have to use a knife for this one. Guys, here it is. Looks like it's saran wrap. Looks to be in excellent condition. Okay, I gotta stop. So it looks to be no cracks in the clock, in the glass. Boy, this is heavy. Let's see. The batteries are in. But they look to be, they're saran wrapped. So let me put them in for you guys, and I'll flip it over and I gotta be careful with this clock, because I mean, the face, unlike some other, or like most other, I should say, Magic Motion clocks, doesn't go spread apart inside the glass. Like, let's say, this one seems to be very loose. Oh, that battery thing is hanging on by a thread. Yeah. But I mean, I'll just take it out. It's not a big deal.